There is no subject that teaches you how to make architect models. They remain a fundamental element in the daily life of an architect. Step number 1. Choice of scale. The first thing you will have to decide is at what scale you are going to represent the project. This will depend largely on the size of it and the size you want the model to be. Number 2. Choice of materials. Secondly, you must decide how and with what you are going to build it. You will have to make a list with the different materials you need and the quantity. The model can be of a single material or several depending on the result you want to obtain. 3. Disassemble. Next, once you have the materials you will need to make the model, you will have to divide the building into pieces. You can make a sketch by hand or directly drag the pieces in real size. The objective is to make you aware of their dimension and how they affect the thickness of the materials when putting them together. 4. Cutting. 10. Depending on the chosen material, you must use one system or another to cut the pieces of the model. In this step, you should try to be very precise and don't cut your finger. The cuts must be clean and straight, so it is essential to use a ruler. If you use a hobby knife, cut the blade every so often so that it always affiliates. 5. Bonding or gluing. The most common way is to use some type of glue to enjoy the pieces. At this point, you have to be very careful with the amount of glue you use, only the strictly necessary. If you go too far, you can stain or even damage the material. 6. Details. Finally, once you have enjoyed all the parts of your model and the glue has dried, you will move on to the finished step. This may consist of sanding, taking care not to separate the pieces. In addition, you can also apply color or add external elements such as vegetation, furniture, or people. I hope this little guide has helped you make your model the best it can be.